Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and what I'm going to do in today's video is show you how to take a shot. So, this video, we're assuming that you already know how to set up your Basin Rover or your Network Rover. We'll link to the videos in the top right corner on how to do that. But what I'm going to show you is how to actually take your first shot in the field so that you can start surveying right away here. So, my radio light's flashing and my satellite light is fixed. And on my data collector here, it says RTK Fixed at the bottom, indicating that I'm ready to go. Now, in the top right corner, you can see that the tilt icon has a green check mark next to it. That means my tilt is calibrated and ready to go. If it isn't, you're just going to make sure you got the point stationary on the ground there, and then you're going to rock it back and forth almost like a hammer and rotate it every 20 seconds or so, and it should calibrate itself in about 30 seconds. And as long as that green check mark is active, we don't have to worry about the tilt on our pole. So what we'll do is you'll line up to wherever you're going to take your shot here. So in this case, if I want this lamp post, or if it's a survey marker, fence marker, corner, whatever it is, I'll line up my receiver where I need it to be. If I got tilt, I can take it a bit away from this pole here. And what I'll do on the map screen here is where it says RTK Fixed, I'm going to tap that, and you're going to see here that it's indicating my tilt and also that it's indicating the status of the shot. So in my case, I had a 3 observation tolerance. It's within my horizontal and vertical standard deviation. All my other ones are met here. So I'm going to click on store position, and now I can enter the information on my point here. So you can see the name is 2. That's awesome. It'll just increase by 1 if I'm doing that going forward. So the next point would be 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth, or I can give it a specific name. Now, what I always like to do is add a code to my point. So in my case, I know this is a light post. If I had this in my project, I could search it up now, or what I can do is simply add in light pole, hit the check mark. It'll automatically do it here. My northing, easting, and antenna height are good. I could add some notes if I want to in the annotation, or even add a picture here in the media section using my tablet. So let's say I just want to do this, and I'm going to take a quick snap of the pole there, save it to the project, and move on with my life here. So I'm going to hit save, and now my point is saved. And if I look on the map screen here, you can see that I've got point number 2 and the light pole, meaning that I've properly stored this point and I'm ready to move on to the next one. So for now, that is how you store a point. And to learn anything else about surveying, do check out the rest of our channel.